Hey guys, what's going on? Just making this quick little video to give you guys a Wolfgrowth review. And I want to give you guys a legit Wolfgrowth review, not like a lot of these other guys right here. As you can see, I watched a lot of videos, a lot of Wolfgrowth reviews and stuff, and I can tell a lot of these guys right here, as you can see, all of these three guys right here, and these guys are really talking negatively about Wolfgrowth. And first of all, though, they do not even show the software. Like, they do not log in. And by the way, I will do that in this video. I will actually show you how I bought the software and how I actually log in and show you my results. So be sure to stay at the end of this video. But these guys right here, they just don't do that. But they make videos right here. Wolfgrowth scam, Wolfgrowth scam, Wolfgrowth review is legit. And this guy goes on to say that it's actually a scam and stuff like that. But when you look closely right here, when you take this guy, for example, you can actually see that this guy right here is promoting a whole other website right here called Medium Mist or whatever it is. The other guy right here is actually he made a video about Wolfgrowth. He made a Wolfgrowth review, but then he links you to Flock Social. So what these guys are doing is they're actually using Wolfgrowth basically to get traffic, to get viewers to their videos. They title it Wolfgrowth review, and then obviously everyone who's searching for Wolfgrowth is going to end up finding their videos. And then in the video, they're actually saying that Wolfgrowth is bad and you should sign up for like the other website right here, for example, this guy's promoting, and most likely he's getting a commission for every sale that comes through this video. Okay, so in this video I really want to give you guys a legit honest review of Wolfgrowth.com because I have been using it for a pretty long time right now, and I do think that it deserves an honest, non-biased, and legitimate review. So without further ado, let's get straight into it right now. And I also want to show you guys that in fact I have been a Wolfgrowth client for a pretty long time right now. As you can see right here, how to activate your account. That's when I signed up for the that's when I got my Wolfgrowth license right here. That was on Monday, June 7th, 2021. So you guys can see I have been a Wolfgrowth client for a few years right now. Obviously I will blur out the license key and stuff like that, but as you can see right here, I have been a client for a pretty long time. So you guys know that what I'm going to be saying in this video is for sure going to be legit. So real quick, before I actually show you the dashboard and how it all works on the back end, I just want to let you guys know the way Wolfgrowth really works is it's an AI tool. It's an AI powered Instagram growth tool, which lets you grow your Instagram account organically in a natural way by simply mass viewing a bunch of stories instead of using any like fake followers, any bots, or any of these weird things that these other sites are doing or using to grow your account. Wolfgrowth does none of that. So the way it just works is you want to sign up. They got a few different packages right here, and you can even get started with like the first version right here. That's how I got started. Right now I actually did upgrade to the business version because it just provides that much value for me, and it just works for me, and it gets me a bunch of clients, it gets me a bunch of people. So the $200 a month, it gets me a bunch of followers. So the $200 a month really for me is nothing really, because I just make it back tenfold. You know what I'm saying? So you want to go ahead and just start with the Wolf Plus version. That's more than enough for beginners, and because it has the story viewer and the story liker, which are the main features of the software that will actually grow your account. All these other things are nice too, but what really will grow your account is going to be the mass story viewer and the mass story liker. Okay, so, and actually even when I first signed up, they didn't even have a story liker. That was just added like 1.5 years ago, whatever, right? They just had a mass story viewer back then, and it still helped me build a bunch of followers and stuff like that. Okay, let me take you guys to the back end right here. And as you can see right here, I'm using this account right here for my personal account that I will actually show you in this video. Obviously, I do have a lot of other accounts too, but not with this Wolfgrowth subscription right here, but with another one. We do have an agency account where we can add a bunch of accounts, for a discounted price. This is a whole different story because I also run an agency and stuff like that. But for this personal account right here, and as you can see, I have my account added right here at Michael Go Hard. If you do want to follow me, if you have any questions or whatever, just feel free to hit me up on Instagram. And yeah, I will respond to you guys. So if you have any questions, hit me up. But that is my account right here. Obviously, if you are new to the software, it's not going to look like that for you. What you have to do is you got to click connect new account right here. And then you just want to enter your username, your password, and do not worry. They do not see your username and your password. It's all connected through the API, through the backend, through Instagram. So it's essentially just like logging into your Instagram on Instagram, you know? So yeah, that's basically how it works. Then obviously Wolfgrowth has a bunch of different features right here. You can schedule posts. You can use the calendar function. You have analytics and all of these different things, right? So you have all of these different things, but the main feature right here that is actually going to grow your account is called the Mass Story Engager Pro feature. Okay, so that is the #1 feature that all the people who are using Wolfgrowth. Now, I know a lot of people, like a lot of influencers and a lot of business people, business owners and stuff like that, they do use Wolfgrowth and they only care about this specific feature right here. Okay, and all you want to do is once you added your account, is actually going to pop up right here. And then you can set up the whole thing right here. And as you can see, there's so many different settings and stuff like that. But for this video, I really just want to focus on the most important things right here, which are just like the story viewer and the story liker. Okay. What I will also show you in the video though is I will show you my stats, so you can see it's all legit. I will show you how many stories I viewed, how many followers I gained, and stuff like that, because we can see all of that in the stats tab right here. But first of all, let me show you guys how it actually works and how you guys set it up. Okay. So once you sign up for Wolfgrowth, all you got to do is you got to come here and you got to go to you want to go to target settings. Okay, and obviously it might be a little bit overwhelming or intimidating at first because you have so many different settings, but it is very, very easy and very straightforward. It's very easy to set up. Okay, so all you want to do is obviously you have all these different settings, right? You can target people, and keep in mind Wolfgrowth is a mass story viewer. So what this basically means right here is you want to have specific targets in your niche, right? So you want to have specific you want to target specific big usernames, big people in your niche that have like millions of followers, and you will view the stories of their followers. You will mass view tens of thousands of stories every single day in order for these people to check out your profile and eventually follow you. Okay, so and what the AI aspect of Wolfgrowth actually does is it's not about the mass story viewing, but it's really more about it determines who you view the stories off. So the AI makes sure to pick the best possible targets, because obviously you can't view millions of stories every single day, right? You can view tens of thousands, but you can't view millions. So you want to make sure that you have the right people to view the stories off that will most likely follow you back. So who are these people, right? Those are people who are commenting, liking, who are engaging with these target accounts posts right here. And those are the most active people, which in return means that those are the people who are most likely going to follow you when you mass view their stories and stuff. Okay. So now you don't want to really care about hashtags, reels, post likers and stuff like that. You can do that later. But what works the best is simply target people based on the followers of these big accounts in your niche, these like famous accounts in your niche. You just want to target their followers, and if they have millions of followers, the Wolfgrowth AI will actually go out there, analyze all these profiles, and pick the best ones for you to mass view their stories. Okay, so and as you can see right here, and that depends on whatever niche you're in, right? So if you're in the like in the success and the business niche, right, in the marketing niche like I am, as you see right here, I got targets like Tony Robbins, Gary Vee, Richard Branson, Tim Ferriss, all these people right here in my niche. Obviously, if you're in a different niche, you get the idea. Those are going to be different targets. Right, and what you want to do is really you want to gather around 50 to 60 usernames, which is kind of like the sweet spot, and then you want to go ahead and simply like go here. You can also use the search function right here. So if you type in like business or whatever, right? If you type in business, there's going to be a bunch of accounts popping up in the business niche that you could potentially target. As you can see right here, insider business, whatever, wealth, whatever these accounts are. And now you could technically just add them like this, right? You just add them right here. It's super fast, right? You can add them right here. You can see them. We added them right here. And then we could click save and they would be saved, which will not do in this video right now. You can also delete them like this. The easier way to do it though is you simply go to like ChatGPT and you just ask the AI, hey, can you please give me 50 usernames of popular people in my niche, right? Whatever niche you're in, right? And then you want to go, you have the list and you want to just enter them right here, right? And it's going to look like this. So you're going to have a list of like 50, 60 usernames, which I highly recommend. And then you want to click insert and then it's going to add it to the software and then you're good to go. Okay. Then you want to close this right here and then you want to go to story actions, right? And that's where the magic really happens, right? Because as you can see right here, we got view stories and like stories, right? And you want to check both of these, right? So don't be afraid to check like stories because, you know, some people say that you shouldn't be liking too many stories and stuff like that, which is true. You should not like too many stories, but the Wolfgrowth algorithm already has the best settings in place right here. So you're always on the safe side. So you want to check view stories, like stories. Obviously you have more options right here, like post voting, post sliders, quiz answers. Obviously these things, they are gonna, you know, give you more followers and they are gonna work and they're going to give you more traffic, but I would be I would not really check this at first in the very beginning, because obviously sometimes it can be a little bit weird if you just vote certain polls of people and it doesn't even, the voting doesn't even make sense. You don't know what you're voting. Obviously with the quiz answers you have to or the questions and answers, you have to provide answers right here. You got to go to the message template and you actually, for not just for the welcome DMs, but reply to DMs, comments, answers and stuff like that. So if you want to answer certain stories and stuff, certain questions and stories, you would have to add your answers right here. But obviously it's going to get you more traffic, but it's your choice if you want to do it, you know. Once that is done, and by the way, do me a favor, keep all these settings right here on default, because Wolfgrowth already determined the best settings for your account for perfect performance. Okay, so now once that is done, you can go ahead and just close this down right here, and then you want to go down, you want to scroll down and go to, obviously mine is already active, but for this example, make it inactive again, and then you would just choose active right here, click save, and now it's active again. Okay, so once that is done, you're good to go, right? So the software is now going to do the job for you. It's going to go out there, it's going to mass view tens of thousands of stories every single day, and the software shows us exactly how many actions we performed. Okay, so it will show us exactly how many how many story likes we performed, how many mass looking means how many story views we performed, so how many people's story have we viewed on a given day, which for example on right here, obviously I've been running this software pretty consistently, but right here yesterday we actually viewed over 12,000 stories. We liked over 460 stories, and we got 429 followers just yesterday. Okay, so you guys can do the math. You know, if you get so many followers every single day, even if you, obviously my account is a little bit different because it's already a little bit a bigger account, and it's in a niche that where the engagement is really high and where you can get a lot of followers. But even if you're in a different niche and you're just starting out or whatever, you can easily expect like 100, 200 followers first starting out with the software right away. And keep in mind, those are real organic followers. Those are not like some bots or some weird followers that other companies give you, like the other guys who made bad Wolfgrowth reviews, how they promote all these other sites, deliver fake followers to your account, stuff like that. This is none of that. This is all legit organic growth. Okay, so as you can see, 429 followers are pretty good, you know. So that's pretty much what I'm getting on a daily basis. Obviously I'm not going to get that many followers every day with this account right here. Usually averaging around 300, sometimes even 500 followers, you know, on a given day. But so this is more like a medium account right here. We do have accounts with our agency and stuff that have a few million followers and stuff like that. And even our clients are like famous actors, influencers, people who run huge businesses and stuff like that. You know, they're sometimes averaging 1,000, 2,000 followers a day just through the software alone. Okay, so I'm even on the lower end when it comes to followers growth right here. But obviously, I want to show you an account that I can show you for this video right here, which I can't really do with clients' accounts. You know, and yeah, that's pretty much it in my opinion. I think that's what a like a proper review should look like. And yeah, if you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. And yeah, have a great day and see you in the next video.